One wrong choice, $3,000 stolen, and now parenting classes, probation, and no right to appeal. Was it worth it?
Range of punishment is anywhere from up to a $10,000 fine, anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility. Did you understand? If you're tested today, what are the results going to be?
Positive.
All right, what are you going to be positive for?
Marijuana.
Court is calling 2022 CR 6082A, State of Texas versus Alicia Marie Marino. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Yes, Your Honor. Luis Echeverria for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Andrea Matos for the defense.
Are you Miss Marino?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Miss Marino, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it? Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, the state moves to waive and abandon counts 1 and 2, proceed solely on count 3, state jail felony, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the state is proceeding on count 3, which is theft $2,500 to $30,000? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from up to a $10,000 fine, anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state and the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, sir.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Marino, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 3. There's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution to whom?
Judge, it's to, it's going to be both to the Texas Lottery Commission, and that amount.
You all did not put that in your agreement?
Well, Judge, I want to leave it open so that probation can ascertain it, but according to the prosecution guide, it is $1,870 to the Texas Lottery Commission and $2,929 to Easy Mart. Would you like me to write that
All
in?
right. Yes, you all need to write in here, not necessarily the amount if you don't agree to it, but to the parties.
Can I approach?
Yes. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And also there's to be restitution, if any, to the Easy Mart, and the Texas Lottery Commission. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, sir.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 50 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Easy Mart at 415 Southwest Loop 1604 East, and the theft course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, sir.
Then to the offenses charged in count 3, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Your Honor, the state moves to offer into evidence State's Exhibit number 1, And all attachments.
Any
No.
objection?
No objection.
All right. Ms. Marine, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly, voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding the guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we would just ask that you follow the agreement that we've made with the state and give her deferred adjudication.
All right. So how old are you?
36,
Do you have any children?
2,
Ages?
13, and 16.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, full time.
All right, what do you do?
I work at the TG Maxx warehouse.
If you're tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative, positive.
All right, what are you going to be positive for?
Marijuana.
How often are you using marijuana?
A few times a week.
Why?
It helps me sleep and helps me with my anxiety.
All right. Well, when you're on probation, you're not allowed to use marijuana. You understand?
Yes.
So do you have a diagnosis?
No.
So you're going to have to stop using marijuana. All right. This is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's to be a $500 fine. Excuse me. $500 fine, probated. Restitution, if any, to Easy Mart, that's Easy Mart, and the Texas Lottery Commission. 50 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, the restitution hours will be deemed satisfied. They want you to have a theft class. Look, here's my theft course for you. Don't steal, don't take what doesn't belong to you. That's it. If you take something, you need to pay for it. You understand?
Understood.
All right, there's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Could we do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services and a MIC evaluation? And it's going to be regular UAs, and I'm going to want her tested for levels. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. We'll do field visits 1 time per month until she is either with Center for Healthcare Services or in the MIC caseload. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. You're going to have to do better. Fast money is not good money. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Understood. Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Once she talks to probation, they'll excuse her.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. I think we're done with John Bueno.
Yes.
Okay.